Good day everyone, my name is Charlene May Eguan and I will gonna summary the story of Nightlife by Roald Thurman. This story falls under the urban fantasy genre, where supernatural creatures exist in a modern city. It is set in New York, a place that looks normal on the surface but actually hides a dangerous world filled with monsters and unknown beings. The novel focuses on the life of Cal Leandros and his older brother Nico. Cal is not an ordinary human. He is a half human and half monster. Because of his, he becomes a target of dangerous creatures known as the Grendels, who want to capture him and use his true nature for their own purposes. And for most for their lives, Cal and Nico have been constantly moving from one place to another. They do this to avoid being tracked and hunted. Their life is normal. They cannot stay in one place but build relationships and or live peacefully. Instead, they are always alert and always ready to run and always prepared to fight. And the story begins. Cal is nearing his 21st birthday, which is very important and dangerous time for him. It is believed that once he reaches at his age, his monster sides might fully awaken and take control of him. This creates a strong sense of fear and tension, not only for Cal but also for Nico, who is determined to prevent that from happening. Nico, as the older brother, plays a very important role in this story. He is highly trained in combat, discipline, and extremely protective. He has spent years learning how to fight and survive, all for the purpose of keeping Cal safe. Even though he may seem strict and serious, his actions show how much he truly cares for his brother. Despite their difficult situation, the brothers do not face everything alone. Along the way, they meet Robin Goodfellow, also known as Rob or Fuck. He is a mysterious and powerful being who belongs to the supernatural world. At first, he may seem playful, sarcastic, and even unreliable. But as the story progresses, he proves himself to be a valuable ally. Robin Goodfellow brings a different kind of energy to the story. His humor and unpredictability contrast with the seriousness of Nico and the internal struggles of Cal. However, beneath his playful personality, he is powerful and knowledgeable, which becomes very helpful in their fight against the Grendels. And as the story continues, the danger becomes more intense. The Grendels, who are the main antagonists, are relentless in the pursuit of Cal. They are not just ordinary monsters, they are intelligent, cruel, and determined to use Cal for their own goals. Throughout the story, there are several moments of confrontation and escape. These scenes highlight the constant danger that surrounds the brothers, and at the same time, Cal is also dealing with an internal battle. He is afraid of what he might become, and he struggles with the idea that he might lose control and turn into the very monster he is running from. The internal conflict is one of the most important parts of the story. It shows that the real battle is not only against external enemies but also within oneself. Cal's fear, confusion, and determination makes him a relatable and complex character. And the tension of the story builds up until it reaches its climax. Cal is eventually captured by the Grendels, which becomes the most critical moment in the novel. They attempt to force him to embrace him and also also his true nature and transform into one of them. This moment is very significant because it represents Cal's biggest fear becoming a reality. He is put in a situation where he must decide whether to give in to his dark side or fight against it. With the help of Tico and their allies, Cal's find the strength to resist. Nico's determinations and loyalty play a crucial role in saving him. Their bond as brothers becomes the key to overcoming the situation. In the final confrontation, they face the Grendels in an intense and dangerous battle. Through the teamwork, strength, and determination, they manage to defeat their enemies. However, the victory is not easy and it leaves both physical and emotional scars. But by in the end of the story, the immediate threat may be gone, but the challenges are not completely over. Cal's identity and his nature are still something he must continue to deal with. This suggests that his journey is ongoing. In conclusion, Nightlife is just a story about the monsters and actions. It explores deeper themes such as identity, fear, and the struggle